the one thing I know what's happening in the future for Yamaha is absolutely 100% committed to integrating technology onto their watercraft. And you will see a lot of future technology coming out that's going to be impressive. I mean, it's not my thing, but to the tech guy who loves that stuff, you're going to be salivating. All right. The guy who was formerly the media rep, media relations, really great guy named Andrew Cullen. He is now over their new technology or integrate, software integration, technology integration, infotainment integration, security, tracking, GPS, navigation apps. He's over this whole new branch of Yamaha. And obviously it's going to hit the boats first because the boats make a lot more sense to have all that. But you'll see reduced miniaturized versions on WaveRunners in the future. And so there's going to be some pretty wild stuff coming out.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.